How to convert PDF to a Word file. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. From the Start screen, click Open, then select Browse. Now, find the PDF file you want to convert and click Open. Word will display a message explaining that it will convert the PDF into an editable Word document. Click OK to continue. Word will now process the PDF and convert it into an editable document. Depending on the PDF, some formatting, images, or layouts may look slightly different from the original. Once the conversion is complete, you can click anywhere in the document and edit the text, images, and formatting just like a normal Word document. And that's how you can easily convert a PDF into an editable Word file using Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more Microsoft tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.